When it comes to capturing audio on the go, it's always best to keep things simple. To that end, Rode has just announced their new Wireless Micro Ultra Compact Wireless Lavalier microphones, aimed squarely at content creators who shoot exclusively on smartphones. There are no buttons and no ports on these. All you need are the mics and a phone, and that's it. These are tiny, ultralight clip-on lavalier microphones aimed at content creators looking to get professional-grade audio with the least amount of hassle. So let's start off by taking a quick look at what you're getting with this kit. The Rode Wireless Micros come with 2 mics to a case, so if you have a second host, like to do person-on-the-street interviews, or in the rare situation one of them dies on you, you're still covered with a backup. There's a receiver that comes in both USB-C and Lightning variations, 2 windscreens, and a USB-C cable for charging. All you need to get started is plug the receiver into your phone, clip on a mic, and you're ready to go. The mics will automatically pair with the receiver. Another neat design feature that I found particularly handy was the magnetized backs on the lavs. So no matter what kind of shirt you're wearing, you can get the perfect placement every time. These guys work with the Rode Capture app, which is Rode's all-in-one app for phone-based content creation. They're also very compact and portable. The case itself is only slightly bigger than the AirPods Pro case, and the microphones themselves clock in at just over an inch, making them unobtrusive and discreet. Everything here can fit in your pocket, and with a full charge, the mics will last a reported 18 hours. So now that we're familiar with how they work, let's go outside and hear how they sound. Hey everyone, just wanted to get out of the studio and out into the elements to give you a quick demonstration on the effectiveness and sound quality of these Rode Wireless Micro lavs. I've got the mic clipped onto my shirt and I've got the receiver plugged into my iPhone 14. And that's all you need to do. The microphones take care of the rest. Of course, I'm making this with the Rode Capture app, recording my sound and my video. I'm also using the app with Rode's gain assist function, which makes sure my audio levels are balanced at all times. The setup involved with these could not be easier. You don't have to spend time worrying about balancing your audio levels. You don't have to spend time worrying about hooking them up to any kind of external interface. All of this to say, if you need fast, clean audio on the go, these microphones are going to have you covered in a lot of different scenarios. And that about covers it for this very quick look at the Rode Wireless Micros. They bring everything about direct-to-phone recording together in a handy, simple-to-use package for the modern creator. They're extremely portable, easy to place on your subject, and sport a long battery life, making them flexible enough for shooting in a plethora of scenarios. But as always, I want to know what you have to say, so be sure to let me know your thoughts on the Rode Wireless Micro Ultra Compact Wireless Lavalier microphones in the comments down below. For now, I'm Sam with B&H, and I'll see you next time.